Good morning to all the chickens out there. We are on day, I don't even know, but we're in here. See that right there? That is the gunpowder farm. I started a little bit. I just built the outline of it because it would take so long. And so yeah, I just built the outline for it. We're going to build the creeper farm today. Let's sleep really quick. Ooh, yeah. Ghast is still glitched. I don't know what's up with that. Okay. This creeper farm is gonna be sweet. I figured I'd just build it in the trees because I built these before, and if you build it like on ground level, sometimes the rates are not nearly as good because there's like caves and stuff, and basically the spawn rates will be way better if I do it up here. So let's get it. I've got the tutorial up, so you guys may or may not be able to hear it.
From here, we can drop down into the farm, and we're going to take our trapdoors and place them on the upper
Okay, put trapdoors. 1 second. Okay, so I gotta do trapdoors. I got some supplies. Organize this a little bit. We gotta do this. These vines are gonna be annoying, bro. We gotta do trapdoors all the way across. Man, Swift Sneak would be so nice. This shouldn't take too long, actually. We'll definitely finish it in today's episode. Unless something goes dramatically wrong. Yeah, not much going on. Let's just build this creeper farm. We gotta go up super high to build the AFK platform. Should we make a build up there? I think that'd be kind of cool. Make a little build up there. Yeah, this is gonna be sweet. Can't wait. I don't know if I put trapdoors in the middle or not. Let's not misplace these. I hope I grabbed enough. I just sorted my inventory and put some stuff I had into these chests. Or into the shoulder box. We're slowly knocking out one project at a time. Once this is done, I don't know what else I'll work on. I need some way of getting food. So, I know there's a super easy food farm you can make. In the nether with the whatever those things are called. Pig monster. Not piglins. I forgot what they're called, but super simple farm that gets you unlimited food and leather. So maybe we build that. Or maybe we just start a crop farm. So we do need more bread to breed the villagers. Let me check this really quick. Okay. So in the middle, which is this block, right here, we break this. We put the trap door right there. Right there. That's where the cat is gonna go. And we do it on this side as well. Cats will go there. Okay, so we need to go get the cats now. Need an easier way of getting out of here. Eventually we'll connect this over there. Maybe if we have extra time, we'll do that. No! Oh, are you kidding, bro? I blocked off my water. I think I have a water bucket in here. Yeah. Let's put this down. Where'd it go? Right there. Now I need to go grab another water bucket. Come on, I can land. Yes. Okay. Man, the sugarcane is growing well. Okay, who wants to be in the farm? You? You guys are noisy, I'll give you that. Let's go this way. Dude, unlimited rackets is going to be so sweet. Cannot wait. Okay. Where'd y'all go? Come up here. No, not down there. Come on. Work with me here. Come up to the top. I need them to teleport to the top of the... Actually, if I... Can you... stand on this right here? Come here. These guys are difficult. Oh. Oh, it's almost... Maybe if I break these, they'll be able to just not fall off. Just, okay, so we got one up here. You sit down. I almost knocked him off. That could have been bad. You, right here. You know what? I think I just need to go grab leads. I'm gonna make you sit down. I'm gonna go grab leads. Because that's what the tutorial even said to do. I have leads. Do. Okay. See here. Okay. Look at him walking like that. Okay, I need to place these back. And then you, sir. Yes. You go right there. And then... How am I gonna get you? Stand up. If I run over here, these vines are so frustrating. He'll teleport up. Please. Yes. Okay. Now you sit down. Don't want to knock you over. And then you, sir. Are you... Bro. Are you kidding? Unshifted, right on the edge. That was stupid of me. Please tell me he's still here. He is. Okay. I was trying to grab blocks so I can go back even more. Come on. Yes. Perfect. Okay. I'm gonna grab that. Perfect. We got the cats in place. Next step.
Right on top is the block. Cat should willingly just be able to go. Just like cat, whatever the farm, so we like to use it to build up sugar. They're going to be serving for one. So next, with our cat farm, we're going to go right. It's one block. We're going to skip 2 blocks. Let's let these carpet. The same thing on the side. We're also going to skip 2 blocks going forward. Place carpet there.
Okay, so we need to place carpet. So 1 right here, skip 2, 1 right there. Right there. And then skip 2 right there. I need to break this. There. And then do that on the other side as well. This will prevent spiders from spawning, I think. So we want it to be a creeper only farm.
Place the carpet in total 25. It should look like this. And then you can take ribbon block or turn ribbon blocks into slabs and place an entire layer of blocks right on top of the ribbons so it cancel out all of the light coming in this farm. Obviously, you can build creepers to the bone. Now,
Okay, so now we gotta place solid blocks on top of the entire thing. Okay. Let me see here. Oh man, I'm running low on solid blocks. I don't even care if it looks pretty or not. I'm most likely, no, I will build some sort of build on top of this. Sorry, kitty, you're stuck in there. Hey, that's what you signed up for. It's not my problem. Okay, we'll place blocks all over here. This will make it dark inside of the farm so that creepers will actually spawn. So that's what we want. Let's craft some more planks. Keep it going. Stop with that vines. Oh, man, okay, almost done with this step. And that should be good.
Well, actually,
Need to
maintaining
see.
this farm, I do at least leave 1 or 2 blocks for a little gap, like to enter the farm, or you get some torches and place them inside, just temporarily, because we want creepers to spawn. But
Oh, he said to. It's probably gonna be stupid, but can you make what you can? You can make torches with, bruh, with charcoal. I had no idea. These are temporary, so that creepers don't spawn while we're building it.
we don't. Creepers spawn.
That is not what we want.
Creepers spawn.
We literally blow up the entire farm because it's so small. Now this is the hardest part. It's the hardest part. We got a few more trapdoors. So, boom. Place these.
This isn't all, even though it is. There's a couple more blocks. Doesn't really matter. I would pick 5 blocks. This isn't all, even though it is.
1, 2, 3. So we gotta dig this down. Like, how many blocks? Like 3 or 4 blocks. This is the hardest part because that's the problem with building this in the air. Is because I now have to build like an area all around this. I'm gonna go like 1 more. There. Let's craft these into planks. And let's just connect this all up because that's what we need to do. Okay. So I think that's good.
To make sure you're safe. And from there, start mining forward. I would recommend give yourself a pretty good
I don't know if you guys can hear this tutorial or not. Shout out to whoever made this wispy underscore. Thanks for the tutorial, my man. Oh, do I have these shulker? I need the shulker box. Where'd I put it? Are you kidding me? Where'd I put my shulker box? Is it out here? I can't go through this gap. Here it is. Let's just grab the rest of this stuff. Go back in. I'm out of hunger. There we go. Break that. So now, I'm actually gonna go down 1 more if I can. Connect this up all the way. So now I put water right. I'm actually not gonna do it just now. I need to go this way. And I need to keep extending this out more. This will push all the creepers into the killing chamber, which will give me gunpowder. That is the entire purpose of this farm. Put all these blocks here. Bro, my brothers are making so much noise in the background. This is so annoying. I told them to be quiet because I'm recording and they're just... I don't know what they're doing. Okay. We'll keep extending this. I don't know how many blocks.
The entire 8 blocks that water
Oh.
buckets would normally flow, and then on the last block, I'll do this to expand this even further. So
I'm
for me,
gonna...
I've dug this out about 2 blocks. That's because I want to.
What's that? Take that water. That's messing up the flow. Okay, so that...
Little room here to collect my drops. I might place a little bit of light, but I don't want any of that left
Okay. So I think he breaks...
into the farm.
Oh, wait.
About 20. Here we have water buckets, and I'll let them flow the entire
How much time we got? 40 minutes left.
water buckets flow. Then on the last block, I'll do this to expand this even further. So for me, I've dug
I don't know why that's necessary, but I'm gonna trust this guy. Okay, break these. Then I'll go down here. This is a little difficult, but it's necessary. Then, no. You know, I'm just gonna remove the water really quickly. Just because it is making this difficult. He said to extend it even more. I mean, maybe this is good because it actually makes it closer to our base. Okay. We want to no, 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 don't fall off. Let's go right here. And this out even more. So ugly looking, bro. Or I'll just go like right here. And 1, 2. I guess I'm using slabs now. Get out of my way, guest. Okay, we're putting the water back. Don't do that. No, stop. Why is that not working? How many blocks do I need to go? Okay, this should be the last. Okay, I'm just gonna finish this farm, even if I go over time. Man, I ran out of blocks. Okay, now what?
I might place a little bit of light, but I don't
Should be the last step.
leaking into the farm over here. I want it to stay dark. So, 3. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to dig out a little bit. And we can place our chest like that. Hoppers on top. And then we
Hoppers.
have our campfires 1 block underneath the wall. From here, placed by option glass. Reason I like to use.
Okay, so that's basically the rest of the farm right there. So dig this down. Do I have any more water? I do. Don't have any more blocks. I really need more blocks. Okay. No, why is that like that? Come on. Do I have any blocks? Okay, I got more slabs, that's fine. So, I need my chests. And my hoppers. So it'll be campfire, hoppers, and then chests go on this this block right here. Then hopper, hopper. Campfire, campfire. That's how it's supposed to be. Oh, wait, wait, wait. Is campfire gonna catch these on fire? I did not think that through. We're gonna use dirt for this part because I don't know. I don't think it will. I'm gonna just to be safe, use dirt. It's hard to see with the smoke in my eyes. Okay. I don't think campfires do, but just be careful. Don't want to risk burning the entire farm down. Okay. This is kind of annoying. No, I want... Okay. No. Okay. Okay. Pick up the water. This is where all my drops will go. All the gunpowder. Again, we'll make this better looking in the future, but for now, this is what we will have. I'll just make like a little staircase. No, not like that. Breaking the dirt with my axe. I'll just enclose this area. How much time? We're 2 minutes over already. I don't think Ryan really cares about the time anymore. Like I said, I think he's just treating it as like a minimum of 20 minutes. Like, I don't know how many episodes in a row he's gone over. He used to be like super worried about it, but now he's like doesn't even care anymore. He's gone to like 30 minutes every time now. Which is fine. I mean, he can play however he wants. It's his challenge. He makes the rules. Okay, I think this is... Hey! I think this is almost done. Wait, can I just like close this up? I think I can just close this up. It's so ugly. But in theory, this should be operational. Let me go free cam here. So this is all... Well, I need to go take those torches out, but this should be all dark in here. Creepers will spawn, get scared by the cat, run into here, fall down here, go, well, down this little pathway, and then die to the fire, which their gunpowder will get picked up by the hoppers, and then I get their gunpowder. Let me just see what the rest of this tutorial says.
Similar thing in size, just have a lava floating right there, and their drops go right to chest. Obviously, don't need this, just have this entirely covered up. And with that, we're pretty much finished once we have the torches destroyed.
I want to hear like how many blocks you have to be above.
So once you have that, all you need to do is build yourself an AFK platform anywhere about 120 to 80 blocks away of the farm, and creepers will start to spawn.
So 120 blocks. So you need to go high up, so they basically, I don't really know. But you need to go high up. So let me just put some torch down here. Now, how do I get back? That's the question. Okay. Oh, this isn't even covered up. Take that. You just make a little pathway. So in theory, oh, and cover this up. I don't know, I think light comes through slabs. I don't know if it does if you do both slabs, but temporarily we'll put sand there. I think this is gonna work. Okay, I'll AFK overnight and let y'all know. Actually, I need to get out of here first. But that should be entirely dark. Oh. Sugar box is empty. I guess we're gonna do slabs and risk it. I'll check in a bit, but I'm gonna go build that AFK platform up there. And then we will be in business. You know, I'm just gonna break this. I mean, it's just kind of in the way. And I need more saplings. So, 100 blocks. Alright, I think I'm gonna end it there. Yeah, we went way over. Thank you guys for watching. We are going to... I'm gonna AFK. I'll let you guys know next episode you'll see how much gunpowder I have acquired. Goodbye.